Gravitational force is not. It's apparent. And when I say, Sierra, when I say an apparent force, what do I mean? You don't know? Well, think about the words. Apparent. What is apparent? What does that word mean? What does it come from? What's the root word to apparent? Appeared. It appears as though there is a gravitational force. It appeared, you guys are going, well, this went from here to there, something was pulling it. We'll call that something gravity. Okay? But what we're going to learn here this morning is that's not what's going on. What? Yeah.
My life is a lie.
Yes, your life is a lie. When I hold this, when I hold this up here, how fast is this object moving?
It's supposed to be
It's not at all.
Not at all.
when it falls. Not at all. Oh yeah.
Okay, so our buddy Glenn, the gas station worker here, I'm referring to your little shirt that you like to wear, says this isn't moving at all. Is he right?
Yeah. Well, sort of.
He's right if what?
If we exclude what's happening to the Earth's rotation.
If you take into consideration his frame of reference is this classroom. It matters what the frame of reference is, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Now, by another frame of reference, this is moving quite rapidly. And what frame of reference would that be?
The Earth.
In what frame of reference is this moving at approximately 1,000 miles per hour?
The Earth's rotation.
Above, if you look at it from above the Earth. We're all moving at approximately 1,000 miles per hour. The circumference of the Earth, now of course we're up from the equator, but these are approximations. It's about 24,000 miles, and we do one full rotation in
1 day.
a day, 24 hours, so that's 1,000 miles per hour. What?
What about the Earth's rotation around the sun?
You have that as well, so you could then say, what is our frame of reference? You could move out further. Okay? So what we're going to see here is what appears to us to be gravity is really movement in curved space. All space is curved. What curves that space is the masses of the objects in the space. Now I used to bring in, though it's kind of hard here, I used to bring in a bed sheet from home. My wife wasn't real keen on this because then I'd take a rock from the yard that usually wasn't, I'd try to clean it up real good with the hose and a brush and everything to get the dirt off of it. And that rock was my planet. Boom. And we'd set it in the middle of the sheet and everybody would gather around and hold tight. Well, what's going to happen to the sheet?
It's gonna droop where the rock is.
It's going to have a dimple where the rock is, right? That mass is curving our sheet, and we called our sheet lovingly the fabric of space-time. Starting to sound a little bit like Dr. Sheldon Cooper here. Okay? The fabric of space-time is curved by mass. Now there is a wonderful video, so I'm going to find the video here, and I had these from before. And let me see if, because I totally spaced, pardon the pun, that this was Sound of Music Day.
Sound of Music Day.
I totally spaced we were dealing with Sound of Music Day.
Wait, what? Oh, okay.
Sound of Music, yes.
Rest in pieces.
Where's my gravity?
Oh, your gravity's not existent.
My gravity doesn't exist?
Yeah.
That's a rather grave situation.
Why did they lie to us when we start off young?